Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Good. I'm also good. So, hope you all are healthy and happy. And in the last class, we have completed our chapter number 5. That was work and profession. Okay. So, hope you well understood all the things. Now, in today's class, we are going to start chapter number 6. That is plants. Okay. So, today is day 1. And before going to the class or discussing anything else, we should know the learning objective of today's class. Okay. So today's class learning objective is to introduce different type of plants. Okay. To introduce different type of plants. When, if you would have been in the class, we have gone for the nature walk, but it's not possible right now. Yeah, as you know. Okay. So no problem. I'll take you in a virtual nature walk. Okay. I'll show you the real plants with examples. Okay. So we all know that we are surrounded with the plants, and plants gives us a lot of things. Okay. Actually, we get everything from the plants only. Okay. So when we look around when you go to the park or go to the go anywhere, some place you go, you see the plants. Okay, all the green plants you see. But do you think that all plants are similar? No. When you go to the field, जब खेतों में जाते हो और तरबूज देखते हो तो वो और नीम का पेड़ एक जैसा लगता है? नहीं लगता ना. That there is a difference. Okay, there is a difference in the plants only. Different type of plants we have. Okay, we are surrounded with different type of plants. Okay, so today we will be learning different type of plants, and as you can see here, types of plant I have written. Okay, so we have 5 type of plants. The one is herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. Okay, so first we will discuss about the herbs. What type of plants are called the herbs? Okay, so very only the main points, main thing I have taken over here and I have written over here. The herbs, they are the small plants. They are very small plants and they are green. They have green and soft stem. Okay, they have green and soft stem. You must be knowing all the parts of the stem, all the part of a plant. Okay, sorry, part of plants you must have learned in your previous class. But once again, I am telling you, this is the root, this is the stem, leaf, then flower, fruit, and branches are there. These are the parts of a plant. Okay, so the stem, with the stem we classify generally the plants. Okay, so small plants. These herbs are small plants, green, soft stem they have. Okay, they have green, soft stem, and they may live for some 6 months or a year. Okay, they have annual life. Okay, then we come to the shrubs. Okay, sorry, before going to the shrubs, I will tell you the example. आप सबके घर में तुलसी तो होगा ही. So tulsi is the example of herbs. Okay. Now we have the shrubs. Okay, shrubs का main character. What is the main character of shrubs? They are a small bushy plants. झाड़ियाँ होती हैं, जो झाड़ियाँ होती हैं उनको हम shrubs बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So they are small bushy plants and they have hard woody stem. इनका stem जो होता है weak नहीं होता है. That is strong also and the hard also. Okay, so these shrubs have small bushy. They are small bushy plants. They have a hard woody stem. They have hard woody stem. You can see over here, this stem is quite hard and hard and strong also. When you will see the rose plant. Rose plant is the example of shrubs. Okay, so shrubs का example rose plant है. So you can see that their stem is really strong and hard woody. Okay, so they are small bushy only, and example is rose. Okay, now we come to the trees. When we come to the trees, they are very big plants. Just example I have written banyan tree. Okay, आपने देखा है ना banyan tree? It's really big. पीपल के पेड़ को देखा है तो वो बहुत बड़ा होता है और उसका स्टेम जिसको तना बोलते हैं, दैट इज रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग, वेरी थिक. ओके, सो द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ हाउ वी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज अ प्लांट. ओके, how we can recognize a tree. Okay, so tree we can recognize by seeing the plant. The plant is big, very big. Okay, and then they have thick, strong stem, and that is called the trunk. ठीक है, इसका स्टेम देखिए कितना मोटा बड़ा सा और थिक है. तो ये इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, हार्ड ऑल्सो, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द ट्रंक. ओके, ट्री का जो स्टेम होता है उसको हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं. ओके, so example is banyan tree I have made like this. Now we have the climbers. Climb करना मतलब the plant which climbs the wall, which climbs the support is known as climber. But what is the main character? How we can identify this is a climber plant? Okay, so to find out climber plant, what we will do? Climbers have a thin and weak stem. They have thin and weak stem, and they need a support. Their stem needs a support to climb up. ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए उसको एक सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. जैसे आपके घर में मनी प्लांट होगा. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो आई हैव रिटन मनी प्लांट. ओके, सो द मनी प्लांट इज अ क्लाइंबर प्लांट एंड इट इज हैविंग अ वीक स्टेम एंड इट नीड्स द सपोर्ट. थिन भी होता है, वीक भी होता है, एंड देन इट नीड्स द सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब अप. ओके, सो आफ्टर दिस क्लाइंबर वी विल कम टू द क्रीपर. When you go to the field, कभी आप खेतों में गए हो, तरबूज के खेतों में, या पम्पकिन प्लांट देखा है? पम्पकिन का फ्रूट कैसा होता है? फ्रूट इज रियली बिग एंड हेवी, बट द स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट it's really thin, weak. Can it take the weight of that pumpkin, big pumpkin? No. So what they do, they creep. They creep on the ग्राउंड. ये ग्राउंड पे ही रहते हैं, ये लैंड पे ही रहते हैं, जमीन पर ही रहते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव थिन एंड वीक स्टेम, बट देयर फ्रूट इज रियली हेवी. अगर इनको ऊपर चढ़ेंगे तो ये फ्रूट के साथ गिर जाएंगी, और एल्स their stem will break because of the heavy fruit and big fruit. Okay, so they creep on the ground. Okay, वो जमीन पर ही रहते हैं और रेंगते हुए लगते हैं. ठीक है, and they are called the creepers. Okay, example is pumpkin. Even mid plant is also, you can see they creep on the ground only. Okay, apart from this, watermelon, तरबूज देखा है, खरबूज देखा है, they all are the creepers plant. Okay, so ये प्लांट्स बहुत ही इनकी स्टेम थिन और वीक होती है. दैट इज वाई दे क्रीप ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके, सो विथ दिस you have to how I have made this, and you have to make like this only, but you are not going to just write the main points. You have to write everything. Okay, or you have to write all the definition of a herb. Okay, then show trees, climbers and creepers in your notebook. Okay, so today we are having this type of plants. In this we have 5 type of plants. The first one is herbs. The main character of herbs, how a plant is herb, we can find out by seeing the small plant and green soft stems. Okay, then this character of plant is small bushy plant, hard woody stem. Okay, and the example is rose. Then we have trees, big plant, thick strong stem called the trunks. Okay, the example is banyan tree. Then climbers, thin and weak stem. They have thin and weak stem. They need the support to climb up. And the example is money plant. Then we have creepers, thin and weak stem, and they have heavy fruits. Fruits होते हैं वो बड़े और काफ़ी भारी होते हैं. That is why they creep on the ground. वो रेंगते हैं और ground पे. And the example is pumpkin. Okay. Then now we will be doing our let's begin, and then let's find out. Okay, So students, you can see over here that we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 6, plants, in your course book of EVS. Okay, so the page is 65. Very first we will let's begin. Okay, we'll do the let's begin. Here look at the picture and complete the name of the plants. Okay, so you can see this plant and you can recognize this is a coconut plant. You have to write here coconut, COCONUT is written T, coconut. Then this one is a rose plant. Okay, everyone knows this. So ROSE, rose plant. Then we have the lotus plant. Okay, this is a water plant, and here LOTUS, lotus, we will write over here. Okay, this is a grass, GRASS, grass. Okay, so we will complete this first, and after that we will start let's find out. Okay, and let's find out, our topic is types of plants. Okay, we have discussed all these, just I am reading, please read for your understanding also. Okay, wherever you live, you will find different kind of plants around you. Plants have different shapes and sizes. There is such a wide variety of plants on the earth that it is difficult to identify and name each one of them. That is why we classify them into 5 broad categories. Okay, so after this we have trees. This all we had discussed, trees. The very first type here is given is the trees. Okay, trees are big and tall plants with thick and strong woody stem. The thick and strong stem are called trunks. Trees usually live for many years. They live for many years. Example, banyan tree, mango, neem, teak and oak. Okay, so after this we will turn the page and will come to the page number 66. Okay, so here we have next plant type of plant is shrub. Okay, shrubs are small bushy plants and of medium height. They have thin and hard woody stems. They usually live for a few years. Example is rose, lemon, China rose and bougainvillea. Okay, so these are the plants which have the thin but hard and woody stem. Okay, now herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft green stems. They live only for a few months. Example is tulsi, spinach, grass and chili. Okay, so herbs are having the very soft green stem. This we had discussed. Okay, now climbers. Climbers are plants with thin and weak stems. They climb on a wall or a stick for support. Example is money plant, pea plant, sweet ground and grapevine. grapevine जो है ग्रेप के प्लांट को बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सो क्लाइंबर्स के जो स्टेम होते हैं वो वीक स्टेम होते हैं. दे आर थिन ऑल्सो एंड दे नीड सपोर्ट टू स्टैंड अपराइट. ओके, now we have creepers. Creepers have weak stem like climbers. Unlike climbers, they creep along the ground. They can neither stand erect nor support their weight. Okay, and these plants have a heavy fruit also. Because of that they should not stand upright. Okay, उनको सीधा खड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे उनके फ्रूट के वेट से उनके स्टेम को टूट सकता है. ओके, एग्जाम्पल इज वाटरमेलन, pumpkin, bitter gourd and muskmelon. Okay, you can see that here the you have a watermelon which is having such a big heavy fruit and it creeps, मतलब रेंगते हैं ground पे ही. ठीक है, after this we will be doing let's try one. Okay, give any 2 example of each one of the following. Okay, climber. Climber का example we have to write here. 2 examples we have to write. Money plant, grapevine. I will write whatever your wish you will write. Okay, which one you like it. Next one is creepers. So in creepers we have the pumpkin, we have watermelon, we have bitter gourd. Many things are there. You can give 2 example. Tree, neem and banyan tree. Shrub, bougainvillea, and then we have a rose plant. Herbs, tulsi we have, okay. Then mint we have, as an example of herbs, okay. So in the last of the video I have explained you how to do this activity. You can do it at your home. Just make the cards of make up a card of tree, herb, shrub and plant. Go out in the park and then find out the plants, which type of plant it is. If it is a tree, you paste the card on tree. Like this you can do for the other creepers, herb, shrub and climbers also, okay. Creepers you will be getting in the field only, because they are the generally fruit and vegetable plants. So you have to go in the field, मतलब खेतों में जाना पड़ेगा आपको, ठीक है. So act out, group work it is. If it would be in the class, I would have done in the school ground, but now you have to do yourself only, as I told you, okay. So from just I'm reading it for your just to make you understand. From groups and form groups and prepare and act to represent different type of plants. Here is an example. Stand tall and straight. Say, I am a tree. I am tall and I have a thick wooden stem. I am a, so here the what the fill up will come, this will come the trees, okay. Now did you know scientists have found approximately 3,91,000 types of plants on the earth, okay. So this 3,91,000 types of plants scientists have explored on the earth. This many type of plants we get on the plants, okay, on the earth, planet earth, okay. So read for 2 times at least, please. So students, now will be going for a nature walk, okay. We'll go for a nature walk. We will see different type of plants and I'll explain about it, okay. So students, you can see we are in a park, okay, and you can see lots of green things, a lot many. So the big, you can see big plants, you can see the grass, you can see small hedges and plants and plants, okay. So now we will see this. This is a big plant with a thick stem. Here you can see the thick stem, brown color. This is so this one is a tree, okay. This is a tree. Now you can see small bushy plants over here. They have thick woody stems also. They have thick woody stems. This you can you identify them? They are the shrubs, okay. See them. Again plant, shrubs, grass. Nice to see now. This is your nature walk. We are on nature walk, okay. Plants are getting the water also. See this is a plant, okay. So this plant is having very thick and woody stem, and this is called the trunk, okay. You can see it's a very big one, okay. This is a tree, very big, having a strong stem, thick stem, okay. Now you can see these are the small bushy plants, okay, small bushy. They have wooden strong woody stem and they are called the shrubs, okay. So students, you can see here this is a tulsi plant, and you can see green color, very thin and weak stem. So these are this plant is called the herbs. Okay, so here you can see it's small plant with green and weak stem. This is a herb. This is the character of herb. So tulsi is a herb. This is a rose plant, and rose is a shrub because it is having a small. It's a small bushy plant with a very strong and hard woody stem. You can see here the stem is woody, and it's a small bushy plant. Okay, so this is a shrub. This is a money plant. You can see that how it needs a support. It's having a weak green stem. It cannot climb or stand upright without a support. So it's needs a support. We have given the support, and with support it's growing up and standing up. So this is a climber. This one is a climber. Okay. You can see here this is a creeper, 9 o'clock plant, but generally the creepers have a very heavy fruit. We Generally creepers, they have the heavy fruits, though the pumpkin, watermelon, these are the example of creepers. But you can see here this is also a kind of creeper. So children, with this I am going to complete this class. Before going that, in this class we have learned type of plants. We have learned 5 type of plants. They are herb, shrub, trees, climber and creeper. You have seen the plants, you understood the character of each plant. Every plant is not same in size, shape or in length. Okay, so different type of plants we have, and now we can recognize it. So if you can play a game, you can play a game. Make the cards written tree, herb, shrub, climber, creeper, and then you paste it. Go out in the park and paste those cards on the. If it is a tree, you paste the tree on card on the tree, and herb and shrub. Recognize the plant and paste the name or type of plant it is. Okay. आप कार्ड लेकर के जाओगे, अपने गार्डन में चले जाओ, अपने खेतों में चले जाओ, और यू कैन गो इन अ पार्क ऑल्सो, और वहाँ पे यू रिकॉग्नाइज द प्लांट्स, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्लांट्स, एंड पेस्ट दोज कार्ड्स एंड क्लिक द पिक्चर एंड सेंड इट टू मी दैट यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज अ प्लांट. ओके, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्लांट इट इज. So with this I am completing the chapter, sorry, not the chapter, class. I am completing the class. Good luck. Have a nice day. Okay. So goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye.